kuhamba njani King?
Ya kuyahamba King, singeva wena njani mlingani?
Hayi kushaphe eish ngile nyonyane yethu yayitolo man ekusele Wi-Fi ibe-weak man.
Eyi we-weak King, yathi uthi ngive buhlungu kanti phela le episode beyinetinto leti-heavy lesitikhulumile itolo.
Ya intilo njengaleti etinye khona nekutiphinza again.
Angeke ukhona King, sekuyafuna tuphindze tibuye because sometimes kuye kube kuba I think kungelozi tsite or kwelidloti tsite yabo.
Ngomoya.
Kwemoya King lokufuna kuvele kusho something ngaleso sikhatsi. And then nangabe
Mantwana lele noma
ya mantwana alele King allegedly. Mantwana alele bafana.
ngathi
Hey,
allegedly. So kungenaphi allegedly?
King yabona kule tikhatsi tanamuhla bafana tikhatsi tema-internet kuthi lokufuna ukukholwa King konke kufuna ukuprevese ukuthi le nto lekungenteka ibe-alleged ngenteka kuba yikho lento ngitshela yona.
Sekubona lokho manje ngikhona lokho ama-video lokudumela amalanga ubona ngathi kwemvalo okuncane kweliswane so kubone kukhuluma maybe bathatha
Khuluma
script kube nje thina singakwenda nazi kube yabona i-podcast sikhuluma so sibe bantwana lama-voice ethu asebenzise kumaswane so
ngike ngakubona yabo i-AI bafana isimikisa kulamanye amakona.
kuseyento letinye tinto but at least like mangabe because mangabe uyakwazi ukuyisebenzisa for the positive sides yabona ikbenefita blind.
Ya ingakubhenefitha mlingane manje eish angazi mfana sengikuthi mina ngide i-hope King nabantu la especially laba base-Afrika leseningizimu tonke tinto letifikako King asikavami ukutisebentisa positively tonke nje sifike sivame tiyasidistracta instead of ukuthi tisende siyembili.
Why ufocus kulele siningizimu King?
Ngilele ngiyatika King i-Afrika leseningizimu kakhulu ngiyiphilile ngayigudla nalabantu bakhona
Okay,
ngibadadishile ngiyabazi.
ngiya-understand-a leli phuzu lelo but mawubuka ukuthi before i-internet mayisafika King tilwane leti-exploit i-internet layisebenzisa in a bad way brayam. Ngilamajita lapha phasi kwale nhloko ye-Afrika lapha eceleni kweGhana.
Phela King lawo Ubona leto King itilwane leto bafana.
Because mawubuka le sickness ye Southern Africa i-sickness ye-distraction but like they want to escape from something, I understand. Kwanza ukuthi ma-TikTok ngisajayiva nginetinto leto yabo lama-AI maswati lakhulumako yabo tinto leto tinto letifile some dumb stuff, some dumb shit ekuse lamagenge leletulu King ekuse letakurobha ngisho likhaya.
King tiyabarobha kwanza tidrobha engami la e-Australia atikho King timrobha nge-keyboard timrobha ekhaya.
Angathi noma last year yini ngibukela ishow ku-Netflix lo ngami la King ukhuluma ngalelinye linangizane boy bababita ngama-hot hot boy yini kopani banegama labo hot hot boy
Ma-Yahoo Boys.
Yahoo Boys.
Yahoo, yeah, ma-Yahoo Boys bo-Oga.
King uthi lo ngami la King tamnesa leti genge King ngasithi timrobhe for 4 years kukhulunywa yabona ngathi yinini le deal yani King ufuna afake emalini ngenyalo ekuse imali ye-retirement.
Hayi ti-wrong King but yathi usimne ngiyabahlonipha bo-Oga mlingane because bo-Oga bayakhona kuhlangana okay ku-scam King ku-wrong yabona but bo-Oga bayakhona kuhlangana bente scam lesito-benefita bona nemindeni yabo yabona. I think ithina ngala kule Afrika leseningizimu esikhathini lesiningi sihlangana ngekutrabhana ukuthi yawu nginyathele kabi ngibuke kabi neke nje ukuthi yabona Brian asesihlangane maybe singaba scam kanjani kuze sithi ku-wrong loku scam King, I want to say ukuthi ku-wrong. But I think
ikhona King letihlanganako but ngilama-heist kakhulu emalokishini ngilama-heist inkunzi yabona ama-pavement crimes yabona ngetinto leto kuhlangana ngetinto leto tekugcilata lo mnyumvu lomnyama yabona.
Yeah ke loko King ku-worse I think imne si-wrong scam but sinconywana yabona lokho heist King because phela ku-heist kufa abantu mlingane kufa bantu labatama kuphanza basebente and hayi that's why ngiyaba-respect yabo.
Ngasi bashaye 4 itolo ebusuku majita e-heist eMlazi ya.
Sebede i-patience e-KZN.
Hayi KZN King.
I think mina King Nyalo nangabe wena nifuthe ama-heist neganga nebugangster kufuna uphume e-KZN King kunomshito wakwamkhwanazi lapha
Lo kaMkhwanazi King.
uthi-patience.
Ya lo kaMkhwanazi
Uthi-patience
King.
neganga mkhwanazi.
Ekuba cleaner again.
Hayi wena clean e-4.
Ya ngase kufeto ku4 ngase khona abanye basafuneka basasesho.
And batabathola phela kufuna batimikise King because yabona i-lifespan lento yeganga nomkhabi King e-KZN seyimfisha kakhulu lifespan yakho kufuna sale ukuyekela.
Yeah, now I think King ngale age lesikuyo because Mayahu boys understand it was just internet. Beku-internet ukuthi ba-exploit i-internet nyalo age of AI bra yami une choice nyalo there's so much to do online bra ngetipani like lento le yakufundzisa le machine le bona le tinto leti King taku-editela ngisho nga ufuna ku-edit ama-video kuma-AI like I think nyalo buvila lobungakwenta ukuthi ungakhona ukuthatha i-advantage yale age lesikuyo.
Yeah, I think ngicabanga ukuthi ngiloko mlingane so kutafuna nje sishintshe le culture in fact because yabona letinye tigenge King kulamanye emave i-content gang takhona ti-creative tena tintfo letinengi and ama-Africans are creative wena mlingane angifuni ukukuyenga like nawungathi nje ugudle la lamalokishini ubuke ukuthi kwentekani nalemakhaya kuthiwa ngisekulalini.
Ezilalini.
Yeah, ba-creative lamagenge but nje sekufuna bayilethe la le creativity King. Mina uke waphila nami King mina esikhathini esinengi. Mina ngidla kakhulu ku-internet bafana. Angifuni ukukuyenga like ungibonile ngidla ngispanile ku-internet ngihlala endlini.
Khona bekungicashile itolo ekuseni manje labanye abantu abakucashayo lapha ku-Upwork abakwati lokukunika le information like lokukunika ukuthi kufuna uphushe njani again. Like unginika letinye tinto like ngiqedze amandla man but at least ngithole ama-point ami.
Lokuthi uthole ama-point I think ngicabanga ukuthi mina mlingane into kufuna umuntu ugcine uhamba uyifundzile. Kukhona ama-customer lekufuna uwa-avoid ungadili nawo.
Ngibonile lapha ku-Upwork ukuthi baningi abantu ekufuna ba-avoid King. Baningi abantu
There's a lot of cats lekufuna uwa-avoid so yabona Mayahu boys King.
Mina King into ngibhiliva especially nge-Southern Africa King because the potential ikhona. I think le victim mentality kakhulu yabona that expectancy from government. Ukuthi government ikufuna endeni that victim mentality nje ukuthi thina sima victims itinto ahambi kahle because you understand lamachita la etulu Africa King government ababendeli lutho. Everything must come from you Brian. That's why lamachita makafika masiwabona thina afike la lendlela laphanda ngayo lendlela move faster ngakhona kunathi siyamangala umchito ufike King hamba ngetinyawo sambona dayise ice cream ngelibhayisikili 4 years down the line simbonile sekane van 10 years down the line sonetitolo nemaveni nemabhasi lamachita ayakwazi sekufuna mina ngihasile mina kuthi ngilokufuna ngiside lamalokishini King that's why sinale ngqondo ekudance nanani because the government has to do something hey you understand angisho ukuthi akho wrong ku right loko but le mentality leyo ngiyo lesimove slow ubuke ukuthi creative ngakanani King letingoma etakhiwako yonke lento lemapiano all these dance moves King kufuneka umuntu smart kwenza into leto but ukhanze ukuthi Solomon uhlala emkhukhwini Solomon you understand.
Yeah, I think loku ngamastari the business side esengikuthi neke ukhomberisha King nabo Oka because bo-Oka bamuva ngalenye indlela kunalenye tintfo mlingane leti ma-restrictions kuwe uyabona ukuthi wena nawe ukhona kukwenda okala khonako ukukwenda uyabona which is why I think angiva King
ngathi Dzakamiva.
No, but ngathi Dzakamiva sometimes nekuba ruthless kulenye ngalenye tindlela.
Yeah, they can kill.
They can kill but sometimes baba ruthless but ngiya-admire le work ethic is strong wena mlingane. But avele I think cultural sehlukile bafana that's why ngike ngakhuluma nawo nganza ukuthi mina I think nangabe ungumjida aneke usujole nentombi or sister lechamuka kubo-Oka or lejoyina bo-Oka.
I few machitela ayikude few angibadi nje mina kusethi thina nale culture ngale ngetop ngathi bo-Oka akujola nabo Oka ngisengaze ngibona i-relationship yemro wangala Southern Africa na Oka.
Ngike ngaba nayo briefly King but bese ngathini bese uwestern no-Oka lengike ngajola naye. I think it's two abo-Oka ba-western. I think King udzinga Yeah, bengisesigceme.
Yeah.
Because I think nawujolana yabo ukuthi ujolana nalamagenge laphuma kule region leya, udzinga ufuna ube ne-coach thide lo tokucecesha ukuthi because sibonile labanye laba abanesibindi King bajoyina uyathi ukuthi kukhona laba-celebrate njengoba usho ba-celebrate ama-retirement, ba-celebrate ini, labanye ba-celebrate emakhaya. Labanye nje khona na-case beyi-famous yalo girl besangimiss ngathi ubengimiss Nigeria yini uyabona?
Oh, Chidima.
Chidima yebo ukhanzise bathethe so kunengi King thina la Southern Africa lesineke sikwende, leside sibindi sekukwenda.
Yeah, like sinema-morals, kuningi lesinako.
Sinengi and sekunabo-Oga akhe kunabo-Oga labasharp laba-straight King labangazange labangayuzi bente kukhohlakala.
Yeah, bakhona King, but laba-exportako, lama-exports yabona lama bathini kobhana ama-passport bros abo-Oga, hayi a-deep.
Hayi ama-passport bros King wonke umuntu akafuneki man a-wrong. Uyathi usikude i-passport bro la ifike ibe productive, la ifike ibe constructive khona.
Hayi kuseme khona i-passport bro lengiwabukelayo King, lamanye productive blind again. Yini endani ma-passport bros, yini le-wrong ema-passport bros?
Hayi ama-passport bros King lamaningi asenekuthatha i-advantage man, because esikhathini
Kuyiphi aspect yempilo yala bafike khona?
ngiyabekisa mlingane ukuthi kune-passport bro maybe isuka e-New York,
Yeah.
uyabona?
Most of them basuka eMelika labaningi bakhona. Angisho
Baphethe lidola uyabona?
linemandla King idola. Passport bro losuka la Mzansi ubokwadi ukuthi uDamkhanza aye kubo-Zanzibar, uDamkhanza uyabona akakhoni kuwela, akaweleli ngesheya. Kulikhulu ke e-Europe, e-Europe kufuna uye maybe nabo 200,000 subscribers ngetulu.
Ya sengikuthi kude i-passport bro waseMzansi engimatiko ne-Southern Africa King, angiboni ukuthi
Ekude nami ngimatiko, awuthi ngicabanga kude. Nginakuthele
maybe
ma-vlogger nje, kuba
wakhanza ukuthi
ma-vlogger.
ma-vlogger King because ube-passport bro kufuna ube nemali.
Serious King, because
And
ufika le ubhook ama-guest house lena, emahhotela, udle kuma-top restaurants, i-life yakho nje i-flashy. Because mawufika kuleyo ndzawo leyo kufuna ubone i-night life yakhona, kufuna ubone ukuthi kudliwa kuphi ama-restaurants akhona, kufuna ubone uyabona ukuthi ima-sports lashisako, malini kuya lana, lokho kufuna uvakashe yonke le ndzawo, eDurban, e-Cape Town. Leti genge King ithi ihamba yonke izwe, lala kuma-5 star, ekusele idola linemandla.
ya lidola linemandla and tiyasnatcha King tinfombi tebantu.
Easy. Hawu King easy. Khona ngicela ukucheck namhla ekuseni King. Bese ngibani igama lakho? Bathi ngiLord. Bokucheck. Yeah, Lord, capital letters Lord. Kusenanje nyalo, kuse Colombia nyalo King. Kusemede ying. Ekuse aloko nto lo King akwa boss. Imnanzi blind vlog yakho mayibukela. Uphethele enye into nyalo King uphethele enye into King yakhona le.
eColombia.
Yakuphatha isilwane sise-Colombia King. Kublind ngale Spanish lokho ntwana, kuyasikhuluma Spanish. Kwelinikela.
Kwelinike bathi lamanikelo lawo man asuka athi Gwadzi lawa eMelika, abalekela Gwadzi bawo ayogcinela abantu
Uyabona
bekhaya.
lokuya King, lokwa passport bro lokuya ngifuna ukubone King, ngifuna ukubukela. Bathi ngiLord, akusiyo isigwadzi lokuya. Khona
Akusizo
lokunye
squad.
loku-weird, khona lokunye loku-weird King labangakuthandzi blind la Mzansi King. Kwakhuluma lenye into lekabi ngaMzansi nje King, bakublasta over online kusenangi nyalo kuseKenya. Asho lamagenge ngathi afike atshela ngathi angcono because aphethe lidola yabona, ethe
Aphatha leli dola asoma ngemali in fact tigwadzi and angada maybe khona labangasilo tigwadzi mlingani, but nje liningi labo tigwadzi tsuke tiyotatela ngokuthi in fact tifike tibe bohudini la tiyakhona uyabona.
lifike lihambe kwemandi King, because ngeke King umelane. Yathi intwana leya ithi bafike lapha bathini lapha, bafike bathi lapha ebar lelibhodlela le angathi bekuyini, i-Hennessy ne, ngathi bafike bamtshela ngathi bafike bamtshela nga $70 noma $60 noma $70. Kwaguquka King, kwa-check le microphone kwathi hey, it's too cheap.
Yo. Ya tifika tibe bohudini because tiphethe leli dola, imithi idola inemali King.
Mina ngiyafoma King,
bafana
1.3.
1.3 full bodlela.
Yena ukhiphe
Hey
70.
King kunomuntu
yena ukhiphe $70 king akanankinga.
Kunomuntu mlingani lohola 1.8 ngenyanga. Uyabona ukuthi lento i-unfair.
I-unfair king lento ema-passport bros but ngeke nguye ngedog I low key dog I envy.
Kuba i-passport bro.
Low key dog. Kuse.
Hayi.
Mina nguye.
Uyoba i-tourist.
Mina nguye
i-tourist
low
wena.
key.
U-different.
Ma-tourist awakhe ma-tourist ngiyo laba abamba inkunzi ma-tourist.
Ya khona bawuyekele man because ama-tourist amaningi kuba labo bongami labo magriza yabona kureke ukuthi ukhanzeye. But khona lenyana tiba fresh king. Khona lenyana tiba fresh.
Inge tourist king, the thing is we are tourist destinations most of the time yabona, so you don't know much about the country, you don't know much about the life yasebusuku because tourist king yehotel tourist angithanzi mina ngifuna ukuba tourist king.
Wena ngiyakusola ukuthi abayi-passport. What abayi-passport?
Ma-passport bro permanent yawo yatibona lethi permanent.
Ngiyatibona.
Angifuna fight
Ngiyabona amajita alikhwama ngiyawanyanya king la majita alikhwama lethu. Athi ngiyawanyanya ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Wathi nangabe khathi nanihlethe mgisa ngqunu king khawungena amajita alikhwama letha.
Funa usukume uhambe.
Ya kufuna ukukhuluma namadam wakho king nihambe because le weakness yakhe itokuvela soon.
Yabani weakness yakhe?
Le yakho le yakho itokuvela king. Le yakhe kade wayadi wena uyayadi wena uyabona. Because nawe umwine ngalendlela leyo ukuthi umthusathusile uyabona. Now there's big money in the house king.
Eish. King lama-bets uyawabona kusekayaphakama. Lama-bets akusasile ama-bets lemendlela wona local. Sekuphethwa uyabona king mama siphethe 2 rand. Sicela i-bet ikhuluma ngo-10. Game 10. Bosiyofuna ngibona lo 10. Uyabona? Usakhalisa lo 10 king uvuka ukuthi 100.
100 king because yabona as far as lama game la machita alikhwamaleta king there's a friend of mine Mbatha.
Oh yeah.
Mbatha usuku wafika lapha bekune i-Riders Ranch yabo lapha la machita Dududu.
Yabo lapha eSithokotho.
Esithokotho king.
Yeah.
Uthi ukuthi chamukela omnye bebahlethi yabo like bahlethi I think bahlethi kuma VIP into kanjalo.
Yeah.
Niwe wathi ke uMaswati lahlethi kuma VIP ukuthi atkhanza ngathi enter the most.
Yeah.
A rich.
Yeah.
Bathi kuphula phela enye king iqhamuka ngalamzansi. Ihamba nalomnye madumane king lo mfana shothi ufake letinwele le uthini wena kwa Brazilian.
Yeah.
Ama-inch king tifika le phasi kwemadvolo uyabona.
Yeah.
Afika hlala nemfana bese uthi lo mjida manje angisakho but le story sihamba along the lines ukuthi wa-offerisha yabo ukuthengela bonke labantu abakule section bonke lotshwala lobukhona. Lamajita alikhwama letha wrong lamajita lawa king.
Lamajita lawa king angisho amabhuli.
Amabhuli vele yes mabhuli. Because ama-relationships ethu akagcini bafana uyabona ukuthi songafika uphethe lethi imali leto wena akagcini kangako lama-relationship king.
Antenga king because bona mfana ngaphandle ukuthi siyengane king angikwane nyalo ukuthi ujole mfana liyadzingeka lidinero ngivile itolo sikhuluma ukuthi njani mara yabona mfana ukuthi ukhona ukungena kule game leli dinero liyafuneka somehow mfana. Leli dinero
malini mlingana angicocele imali lobuka ukuthi iyayidinga kuze ujole kangwane nje.
Not in a figure form. Not in a figure form. In a way ukuthi we are okay maniga, we are nice. Why am I saying that? Because one kufuna ukuthi ube grand wena mentally. Lokho kukwenta ukuthi wena ufile secure as a man ukuthi ayikuse grand mina. Noma bangavaya kufike hudini ngasisetulu kunami. But ngilele nginako mina indlela ngiphila ngayo ngishapha. Yabona king more insecure ukuthi you are still trying to get to that goal. You understand? Usafuna kufika lapha and so uthanza nale khamba endzawo leti lekhamba khona abantu abamba kwemandi. Uyohlala umudi uyakena, uyohlala uclumsy, uyohlala out angry. Because I understand ukuthi leni game of cards. Uyabona? It's a numbers game.
Lokwathi kwembu king lokunemali lama wrong lamagenge lawo yathi kusa wrong bamba because ayayibona le weakness yakho.
Ayayathi king, that's why utokubitwa nekubitwa wena utshelwe uma uyochama kuthiwe relax lokho kwendeka kuyekele kwendeke Brian nang 2 drat noma nang 5 drat. relaxa.
Eish.
They can see through you. You understand the king?
Manje emagenge lamaningi mlingani lapha tobesabang Mayweather phela kule simo leso.
They can see through you king baphethe infrared gun. Bayabona ukuthi hayi kuse lama organs ale out
Hey,
MSO kwenteka so babona lelo simo king lendlela uhleli ngayo lapha etafuleni ukuthi that nigga is not comfortable yabona. Sometimes king but banekufika bafika bahlala nathi kuse bente ngasi bakwadi wena just to calm you down. Kusempintshi khamba nawe kuse sesidayi kusena amabhodlela kuse you understand because they can see through you yabona. And mangabe
ah,
and mangabe king le companion yakho king i-weak
mm,
and now uyazi
mm.
ukuthi i-weak it's gone.
Ayi, it's gone. And angiyayithanda lamagenge because bayadla igame lebayidlalako uyabona. Bambonile
Yeah.
lo mfana bathi hayi nayi inje idla pholoni type uyabona. Ayisuke.
So
And batofika king bane a series of events uyabona. Bangakhulumi lutho.
king i-life ayikho
Eh,
fair mfana. I-life ayikho fair king ngifuna ukuthi I think kufuna i-position am I out especially in this day and age bafana the day of internet and everything and kuba ngcono kunalabanye abantu kufuna i-position grand am I out especially kufuna uqale ngawe mentally yabona it has to be a game that you win in your mind before uqala ukuyidlala ngesandla kufuna uqala uyiwine in your mind ukuthi kusengingibani sikhiphani ngiyaphi khambani lokhu kutokwendeka reacta njani mina kulokhu you understand.
hey mlingani, any kufuna ube strong mentally mlingani. Mina there are some few examples lengingakutshela wona king empilweni yami la ke endeka. I think bantu labanengi kule situation leyo king maybe bekangakhokha celemba macele yabo washaya abantu or akwazi abantu. King
Eh,
mina bafana ngike hey yabona. Shothi ngesikhathi ngisekoliji mlingani uyabona.
eh.
Ngisekolishi ngiphumile ngihambele emabhrama kuhlala emajida mina bekangi-4
Ikolishi
esikhathi Roman
ikolishi
5 yabona.
eMinnesota noma la enang.
eMinnesota king ngihlala emajida langi-5 king eRumini yabona.
Yeah,
Siphuma king siya kulenye i-house party uyabo.
yeah,
Nasifika kule house party king ngibonela omnye gele bengisolo ngimnanga bengisolo ngimhalela lo gele kaso.
yeah.
Ngimbone king ngihambe kuye ngimshaya nge-speaker. Hayi siya-vibe king,
Ngamla.
siya-vibe kumnandi uyabona. Ul-Korean type shit.
Okay.
Wase-Korea, original usuke e-Korea.
Yeah,
Hayi si-vibe manje nginatha imbamba king.
yeah,
Mina nanginatha libhiya nekungithuma endlini e-toilet kakhulu uyabona.
yeah,
Nginalenye ibra yami lengitenayo lapha uyabona.
yeah.
Ngiyibite ngithi excellent yabona bafana.
Hayi ngathi
Ngiyamfika lo
ngiyayibona
girl
lento
and
etokwendeka la.
and king you must let it happen uyabona.
Eh,
You must allow this thing to happen. Ngithi hayi siya-vibe nalo girl bafana. But ngisafuna ke enang
elu,
endlini lencane uyabona.
ngitselu.
Ngisayilu. Ngiyabuya uyabona. Ngi-introduce le bra yami mlingane kulo girl. Ngihambe ngiyelu. Oh bafana ngithi nangibuya. Ingibidele eceleni le out yami. Ithi ekuse I have some news for you uyabona. I know you will want to refuse this news. But you have to accept this news because this is news you can use. Yabo, taxida ndzaba leti.
Watakhe,
Sesiyavaya mina nalo girl siye Romini.
watakhe lebra yakho umtakhe.
Beyiya India.
Hey, excel.
Ithi sesiyavaya king siye Romini nalo girl nyalo, uyabona.
Eh,
Eh.
eish. It's
And
in the
king
pain because kunale painting leli ya leli shaya lanzanyeni.
Itshalanzanyeni king akwehla imbamba akwehle mandi uyabona. Like but you have to accept that bafana kufuna ukumukele lento leyo ukuthi seyendekile uyabona. Ngeke
Yeah.
bese sotrapha abantu bese wenza umntwana. And the worst thing king
It takes a real man kufika kule level leyo king lokuthi accept lesimo leso. And
kufuna
accepteni kwakho futhi kungabi ukuthi usi-accept pheze ungabi ne-hate nabantu ababili labala abadlulile. Ungabanyani kube njalo.
kufuna kube njalo king and to make things worse king silala ndlu yinye uyabona like same
Eyi
house.
yabona-ke hhayi yabona-ke le part leyo King yiyo le engifike ngiyibone yabona noma kungathiwa siya-accept-a gents. Asinga-accept bese
Eh,
sesima ngase siyabulawa.
King sekutabana lama-sound effects
Ah,
labakhona that night king and every other
hhayi
night
yabona
after.
lapho King seyi-personal lapho phela, hhayi lapho seyi-personal kuse.
Mlingane kufuna u-accept-a kushiwo wena ukuthi uyabona nawujula kangwane mlingane kufuna these things you have to accept because there's another maningi lama-situations king there's another situation besihlala khona le struggle mention zethu uyakade besihlala kuso lapha
Siphi leso eMbabane?
eMbabane yes lapha emva kwesikoti.
Ah, ngiyabona,
There was a situation lapha king shothi mina bengixoxa nalo Myegelo yabo ngisesingile bengixoxa Myegelo siyaxoxa but ngiyambona lokuthi aneke ngidamtrafa mina yabo because I'm not where I should have been mentally yabo nangiletinye tinhlangothi.
yeah.
Kwadzinga king ukuthi ngimsarende kulenye ilunga besihlala nalo.
Yeah, King. And it's not from hate. It's not like yeah,
Mm.
vele. It's like I understand where I'm coming from, and I understand where I'm going, and I understand where she is coming from, and I understand
Yes,
where she's
yes,
going
yes.
and what she wants. And ngeke mina bese mina nge-ego yami ngimende ukuthi angakuthola akakufunako and akalakudeserve-ako because mina ngifuna ukumvalela
Yes,
kule pain yami kule struggle sami.
amachita selfish kangako king because mina king notorious ukuthi mina not anymore but before in the past ukuthi intfombi nayingivakashele king mina bengishaya liposhini ne-rice maybe
No.
kude nesalad uyabona.
Oh,
Like
that's the best dog. Yini lenye?
ufuna kudla tintfo leti-heavy lo girl king wena ufuna
And
kumbamba ngenkani ukuthi
and ikhona i-possibility ukuthi angadidla and when uyathi King njenge-Bra ukuthi kuse this nigga can do it bro better than me. I know ukuthi lo mdida lo angayenda lento lekufuna yendeke.
your best friend king uyathi ukuthi ekusele uyathi ukuthi nangingathatha lo girl ngimnike king le ntfo layifunako ingaba achievable and na
Yeah,
king angajabula mlingani uyabona.
yeah,
So
yeah,
kufuna umsarende king.
yeah.
We had some talks ngamsarenda ukuthi ekusele mina ngicabanga ukuthi kufuna ngikunike nangu bani ngihlala naye la roomini and I trust him ukuthi utakhona uyabona tonke into lodzinga aneke umane ukwenda le ntfo leyo king kufuna kufuna umlilo khona umlilo kufuna undlule kuwo uyabona.
I think ikufuna utati King uthi accept King phinde usarende uthi sarende utati sekuse dog lokutaka kimi kwami lokungedi kimi akusikwami.
Akusiko because ungagcine ungashuphuka tandla king ulwa nebantfu ulwela. I think amashit amaningi a-selfish ngaloko and I think uke wayithinta le ndzaba ukuthi ngibekise phela ngikhansi ukuthi ngihola maybe ngiyasebenza ngihola 3,000
Yeah.
enanjalo majid uhola 3,000 wakhe la asebenta khona athathe le mali leyo adize ngayo yonke.
Hey, ekuse hayi nginento besisho King ukuthi madoda mancane King or kude madoda Swatini.
Hayi kude recently king kude man
Ngawukhuluma
kude.
lento why wende lokho King? Usebentela ini mangabe wenda lama moves lawo ukuthi uthathe imali yonke loyiholako uyoyidiza like kwentiwani ngane empilweni?
I think maybe bunang bushimane hey yabo.
Hayi kuthi nyanya nje usungathsanzi.
Hey bafana wena I think hey yabo vele wena kufuna ufundise abantu mngani because wena ngiyabhiliva ukuthi uke wahamba tu kwemalahle lashisako.
Mina King ngihambe tu kwemalahle King ngahamba tu macansi eDragon.
Yabo.
Ilele. Uyabona ukuthi kufuna uhambe njani King? Ilele
Eh
kwe-Dragon King iyahona and uyayibona ukuthi iphefumula umlilo. Hamba tu kwala macansi. That's why mina King ngiyakutshela ukuthi ekuse ngavula John 14. Yeah, mina impilo yami King ekuse I know ukuthi kunemuntu ohleli ekoneni somewhere lo-envishako ukuthi ekuse I envy that nigga. But in a long run, especially now, King, seyicala kungitrafa. I think I've had enough of it. I think isikhathi sokuthi nyalo ngiphume King ngingene enang ngithatha i-bow and arrow yami yabona. Ngingene ehlathini King ngiyohunter. Yeah, kufuna ngingene ngiyohunter.
Hayi manje wena sengibuthi ngiyakwati mlingani uyabona like I know you inside out bafana.
Kunetilwane
Eh,
king,
ku
kunetilwane letiyi-2 letiseSwatini king lengifuna ti-hunter.
eh,
Ngabamba sinye saletilwane king hhayi ku-right king ngingagcoka nelibheshu king ngingene esibayeni ngithi hhayi lili. Ngahluleka leti tilwane tiyi-2 leti king hhayi bengiyohunter e-Afrika.
manje inkinga nguwe mlingani yabo. The problem is you.
I mean I know ukuthi the problem is
Wena ngike ngakubona uphuma kuma-relationships ngendlela legendary. Abantu abaningi abogela abaningi king abasi-trained ukuthi bangajola nawe. Uyathi ukuthi abasi-trained.
yeah, labaningi abekho trained
The
king.
the way nje lo ngathini the way lo move ngakhona ema-responses akho etintfweni letinengi bancane bogela abangakhona loku accepta lento leyo. Ngingabekisa ngani king? Wena you don't keep a phone.
Yeah.
Utakuthinta kuphi lokho yena nakakufuna?
Angisho king it was part of the training yami king ukuthi ngikhiphe etintweni yabona ukuthi kele thina king ukuthi mina ngibhoderishako guys. Mina ngibhoderisha ukuthi sekuna-future kufuna ngiphande intwana ibe grand. Lo letinye into ngibhoderisha. That's why ngithi isikhathi sokuthi mina nyalo king ngithatha i-bow and arrow. I think inyalo okay. Ngithatha i-bow and arrow king ngingene ehlathini khani yabona but kuze kuthi ngente lokho king ngilomlilo king lengendlule kuwo ngabona ukuthi letinye tinto again ti-useless dog. Like si-create tinto or i-society sitshele ukuthi kufuna siphile kaso kuze kuthi we understand.
Manje ungamkhushisa kanjani nje umuntu lomunye king ukuthi afike kulesigaba leso because
Kufika
uyabona
lesigaba
lamaphepheni
ya kufika lesigaba leso king ngicabanga ukuthi kufuna uqale ukuthi discover wena bese uyathanza. Phindze ubuke lesimo la ukhona because akusiwo wonke umuntu lokufuna ende njengami king. It's not like everyone has to utiyekele inini uhamba uhlala wedwa uyabona kufuneka wonke umuntu asikakelwa sonke kuba njalo. But mina king ngalama circumstances nangendlule khona ngigcina ngibona ukuthi letinye timoto yakubambelele kusema out uphanda king. So ufuna ngeda naleti inkinga leti. Oh hello, hi. Woody. Ekuse king ene uyayibona lenzaba lelambi kwakho king ukuthi kunenzaba lekufuna ngiyigibele king and lenzaba le ayidzingi muntu idzinga mina ngedwa. Ngeke ulayishe Woody na bathi ngibani Woody yayibona ngeke udzingeka wena wedwa king ene because i-training yabo mina umfuna kamchushisa king ngimove lo ekusay dog kunenzaba lelambi kwami lekufuna masika kukuchushisa ngabo girl mina dog ngeke phela mina is not like ukuthi ngisigwadi girl mina ngiyambamba lula dog like ngiyakwazi ukubamba girl.
Wena king nawufuna namuhla
Namuhla king mangifuna mina ngaba lo heavy understand but ngi-restrictile mina because kunenzaba bekufuna ngiyigibele king and ukuyigibela imfuni Woody you understand.
usho ukuthini Woody ngoba ngiyeke ngibone bambhale
What you doing? Woody just what you doing? You understand?
what's wrong with bhala what are you doing like isibhalelani Woody
Uyasibambelela kusheshile WD.
kusheshe ini king ngoba there's no hurry phela in Swaziland eSouth Africa hurry kude kusheshe ini
Ujakela omunye umjita king. Or uchatha nanoyi-2 or uchatha nanoyi-2 uyabona nguwe ngala ngulo mjita ngale king. This is a wild west. Okay lenye into mina understand ukuthi leni wild west. Lenye into nginga understand king ukuthi leni wild west yabona. Uma ngabe wena kunamajita king lathi mina mina bangithanza mina. Yebo ken
uthi uthathwa ngubani
lo girl wami lona king kude lo mjita lo ngamthinza ngimngedwa la. Like come on dog like ekuse you understand le delusion le yabona some niggas are delusional. I'm the only one dog
kanti special
ya uspecial umjita yena yabona yena indlalifa ekhaya kubo so nalabo cherry vele bathanza yena.
bamtha eish mina angathi king man ngiyacabanga I think mina mlingani yabona la Africa leseningizimu because ngiyola ngiyathi Africa ngiyola ngiyikhulumela kule Africa leseningizimu king mina ngicabanga ukuthi asikakhelwa kujola nomuntu munye very few people labakhelwa kujola nomuntu munye
Expand.
but angiva king
Expand.
Sikhetha okay, nayo le statement engisho ukuthi eSouthern Africa sikakhetha ukujwayela umuntu omunye.
Yeah.
But sikhetha ukuthi convince sonke sakhe mass delusion ukuthi sonke singajula nomuntu omunye, uyabona? Mina there are very few people king mina nginenhlanhla yabogela abanjalo aba straight ukuthi ujula nawe kuphela, uyabona? The type of umuntu la nguye akakhoni ukujula nalomunye umuntu, akakhoni ngisho nokukhuluma nelenye out nakanayo, uyabona?
Nengide.
But mina ngisengikhazi man, bayi-few bantu engingadibana nabo lojula nomuntu omunye straight.
Ayibayi-few kakhulu king. Mina ngathi akukaze kwenteke empilweni yami.
Akukavami banengi king laba claimako ukuthi bakwenda ukuthi mina ngiphingi both women and men banengi laba claimako.
Yeah. How can we address it king? Sifike kule conclusion ukuthi now ama-stats because king kufuna sikhulume ngema-stats king nge-proof ukuthi i-proof you understand? King i-proof nama-stats phela bakuphi ke le bathi ya mina nama-stats king sikhuluma nge-evidence. Now i-evidence it's evidence. So let's address this. How can we play around this because vele sinje thine. Njengoba sinje thine. How can we play around ukuthi sikhone ukusikana kule framework lesingiyo because this is us. Uyayibona lento?
Oh, so ngithi le opinion yami ngalapho is very unpopular king because badathi ngidukisa live, uyabona? Mina ngibelieve ukuthi king asinathani prep dilimit yetsheni. Yeah, ube ne-capsule king lo because emaswati king South Africans bayaphinga labantu.
Over dog. Over.
Bonke uyabati king nguwe lobatiko bonke king. Uyabona na use college ngibekise ukuthi maybe use college ufunza limco ufunza eChristian.
Yeah.
Kunabohudini king lamajita eqhwama ledi uyabona eqhwama ledi.
Yeah.
Batafika bakusnatchele geli wakho yabo.
Yeah.
Batafika king lamajita lawo akusnatchele geli wakho.
Yeah.
That's facts. Kuyendeka, you can go ask people on the ground. Kuyendeka. Uve hayi ngizogibela imoto yamalume.
Yeah. Oh king like
nawe ungilomjita una 5 abogela okhuluma nabo, uyabona?
Yeah.
On the flip side king, nawo lamajita lawo eqhwama lawa is either kuna screw because now screw bayamove nasty king lo snatcha umfato wayo le out or worse, even worse king. Uyabona king kufuna na unomfato uthandaza ukuthi angathini for bo fire bo king le yabona lethi balapha ecela kwesitolo king.
King bo king. Okay. R2 kusangishaya nga R2 king.
Leta king disrespectful nathinza umfato wakho.
Yeah, iba nasty le ndlela bayenda ngayo lento king. Like if ungeva king if unganikwe i-recording kuthiwe watch. Yekethi sima-suicide ngaphakama king. I swear to God.
Because at least mo screw king lamajita lawo la corporate emasabab lamajita lawo adla bo cheese yabo adle mal anathilini.
Nathilini king akhuluma isingisi. Yabona.
Like anayo le respect ukuthi kuse ngithintawo yabo madam wabani. There's some respect yabo.
Abo king ba disrespectful. Akusho ba king dini netinkinga labanato king ngalana uDespan king ngalana uboshiwe bekaboshiwe indzaba yetimvorwane ngalana yabona ku-rough ngala kuyafuneka ubhacile ngala kulo madam ubhacene kubhaca yadzingeka like if you just
is on the run
yabona. So the only thing la ngayena king the only skill futhi lanaso nyalo kule moment lena kuwin ifavor yemlomunye is to play the game fair, uyabona? Utodlala king awele utodlala king kuma-fields longadlali khona wena la kule game yakho king avule king letinye ti-stage longakazi wena udlala ufike kuto le game yakho king lo Tetris dlala Super Mario king kule stage longadlala Super Mario king uyafika king le stage longadada Super Mario unesikhathi sonke king he's got all the time
unesikhathi sonke king lomjita lona akana maybe sometimes akagibeli ibhasi uyabo uhamba ngenyawo nakendzaweni ufit umbhitho king udla tinkaka udla emantongoma
ushaya spoon futhi nane nangizane king netimbangi idla spoon sandla sicinile king sandla sicinile uyabona kuse fire uyakena ukuthi
he's fire and kurong
ukuthi king usene kuhlangana naye eminyango king ungena endlini kakho king umbuke nje kuphela endlule usabe nokukhuluma. Acatha king yobulala.
emkhathini
Impilo,
wakho.
impilo king.
Na nawe na
That's
na
why king le mpilo lena
nawe
ifuna
uyaphinga, nalo girl u-busy naye. Ayi bo King banangi ba-wrong King, khona nomnye bengikhuluma naye bafana. There was another lady bekane-out yabo ama-out vele lama-out kukhomela ahlupha ama-out lawa because bangisethe intfombi tetfu anganaki labafathi bawo lemakhaya.
yeah.
Noma-ke mkhulu King mkhulu. So siyaxoxa nalo King ngiyatshela ukuthi hayi lona ngiyamshaya umfana kanje. Ngithi mina King lo wamkhulu kanjena umshaya kanjani? Ngithi bathi bafana ngimshaya ngimfuqe le stadium sonke. Sometimes ngize ngimgode kaso ngimlingise kwelibhanisi. Kuze kumgoqa King phambi sethi ngiyakubuza kumnakho kanjani kumlingise kumfoldise kwelibhanisi yabo.
Ekuse king kune-out ebhadala i-rent lapho lena ini. King ufoca into ngasimabhanisi.
That's why ngithi mina mlingane kufuna thina Southern Africa si-accept nokuthi sidiphingi. That's the
Yeah.
first step yabona.
Ubona nangale
Bese
rate, ubona ngale ma-rate e-3 king ukuthi a-high blind Swaziland South Africa.
high kakhulu because it's diphingi, so I think bafana kufuna nje ube neli-capsule lakho loliphophako like on some yabona, and delimit yetsheni because kude le nangu lokuba straight.
Hey king,
Bakhona
mina inkinga ngileyo manje
boMabhovinyo, bakubo oMabhovinyo.
base-Tanzania.
Bakhona kuba straight lamandawo mlingane yathi.
Mfana, awume. Yekela lento
Angithi
oyenzako leyo, wentani kuse? Mobhovinyo
eh,
Brian king yashiya. Sekufike lokunye king lokufaka lekugcoka letikhwama letiya. Joni.
hayi wena.
Yeah king sekufike tigceke letikhwama letiya. Uyabona ukuthi hey. So kude king asikho
Sekufaka
safe.
ispan.
Akukho safe king. Akukho safe. I think nje mina hey mfethu bakhona abantu ba-rare yabo. Inkinga mina yami ngileyo futhi lenye king again. Mina ngifuni mina ukujolelwa. Hey mina ngiyifuni into leyo. That's why maybe ngihleli ngati restrict. Angifuni nekujolelwa ukuthi kuseyitshile yakho kodwa hayi ngawe ngosiyekeli vele. That's why mina ngiyela lapho vele. Angifuni vele.
Ya kufuna ibambe lapho mlingane. Ya mina angathi maybe ngiyibona kabi, maybe ngikhuluma kabi lenza mlingane, maybe wena uyibone ngalenye bakho. Mina ngile ngajolana nabo nebantu aba-straight mlingane, like kangwane ukuthi lo muntu lona akajoli nalomunye umuntu ujola nawe. Aneke akhone le ndlela latithatha ngayo yena. Ngeke akhone ukujolana nalomunye umuntu. Aphinde ajole nawe.
Yabona ngine-hope mawusho njalo king uma ngabe basesekhona labanjalo. Sho nami ngizofike ngiloge ini kule account oboyisebenzisa.
Yeah, but kufuna there's a lot of kufuna ugubhe King, kufuna ugubhe kunengi uyabavusa labanjalo nawunenhlanhla. Sengikuthi mina vele nginenhlanhla yenanga yetinfombi King, nginenhlanhla intombi nje ti-straight uyabona.
Yeah.
And mina I think ngendlela ngilibe ngakhona, I think noma bayangidlisa noma yini because nami nangijula abafana. Hawu,
Awubuke eceleni.
angibuke engcenye.
Yeah.
Angibuke engcenye.
Akunebantu king
Like
labakheke njalo.
ngiyafuna ukubuka engcenye.
Kunebantu abakheke njalo ukuthi kunebantu abakheke njalo ukuthi uyi-built in nje unjalo uyabona.
Hayi mina King ngivame ukujwayela abogela bafuna isikhathi.
Hayi.
Ufuna isikhathi King, ngifuna nihlale efonini nicoce yabo throughout the day niyacoca. Ufuna uspenda isikhathi manje nawukhona uphinde kumbhanqa nalomunye umuntu ufuna ukujwayela umuntu onjalo.
Yeah. Hey king bangazi bamfolde kwelibhanisi.
Yabona King I don't know because kufuna nawe invoice ube ready King because into tiyendeka.
Tiyendeka dog, tiyendeka king.
Tiyendeka King, tiyendeka
Kulepo ngishoko mina ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uthathe king uwele etinye tindzawo ube sure ngawe then lokunye into akunavigate but mangabe usenza kudlala igame mfana igame nema-game inkinga igame king nema-gamers lamakhulu kunawe every time nale game lele nkulu kunawe khona lenkulu kunayo it's
kunalenkulu kunayo King, kunalenkulu kunayo.
So
That's why
there's never a winner ekugcineni kuthi umuntu owinako ekugcineni ukuthi kusengiyawina.
Kude boss King egamini.
That's the part angifike khona ngikhale khona ngema-sister ethu sekuse ngiwo lekufuna kuphathe grand because wona king yabona i-value yawo yehla kunathi thina machita king ezisikhula i-value yethu yakhuphuka, you understand.
Eyi hhayi sonke King, hhayi
Ya?
sonke,
Sonke King again
hhayi sonke.
ngaphandle kwamajita ukuthi maybe umunya kakhulu amabhiya, uphila impilo le yabona maybe lapho ivele yakho. But ekuseni if you out King ufuna achieve something elifini ezukhula King ulokhu
Mm,
unangizana so ivele yakho iyaphakama as a man, you understand? But
ngiya
mangabe
ngiya ngiya ngiyakuva.
but mangabe uyi-cherry King i-cherry nje maybe lengangami King, linabantwana abayi-6 ide ivele njengaleyami.
Mm.
Ide ivele njengale yami King. Same age, same nangizane because mina King ngisenga-achieve tinto leti-heavy but yena kufuna ahlale ekhaya nyala nake abantwana and inini uyabambeleleka, you understand? Mina ngibhizi ngiyamove.
Yeah, because I think le cost evele kuba ngumdali kulukhuni because phela sesina-6 webantwana uthi isikhathi sekumanyuva wente letinye tintfo
Yeah,
unless utoba neglect
bayi-3 maybe
labantwana.
labo baby daddy. So ngifuna kubuta ukuthi ngibani out tobe siyafika iyamthatha mancane lakhona.
Ya mancane but kadzeni babathathana abantu.
Kadzeni sikhuluma
Sengithi
nganyalo King, nyalo
sengithi
ngeke.
kuhlupha namlingani ukuthi nawuyi-out nawugudla matincane le-evidence ethi ugudlile ngale ekugcineni uyabona?
And
But
wena usengenta more damage futhi wena mawuchubeka, you understand? But angikhulumeli isayidi ngikhulumela
mm,
isayidi lekuphumelela nje in life ukuthi making it in life yabona ukuthi usene you can make it you understand?
ya kuloko ya ngiyakubona kuloko but I think ya kufuna sibuyele mani ukuthi nemajita nawo sinawumithisa umuntu kufuna ubanake labantu bakho because lokhu elivena sesana-3-4 bantwana King akasakhoni ukuphuma ayophanda because ugazela abantwana nguye i-primary inang provide yalabantwana and amagenge lamaningi ayababalekela lapha abantu babo kufuna singakubalekeli lokho.
Hayi in most cases amajida King akahlali, King akabi khona vele. Labanye akabade kumade umntwana
Mm,
King. Azase kambona.
akamadi I think nje i-Southern Africa kahle hle ikhuliswe bafati
Eh,
yakhiwe bafati yakhuliswa bafati because they stayed behind kunaka labantwana emagenge ayabaleka King ekugcineni kwawo konke.
bafati abakhe emakhaya King sibonile bafati yibona abakhe emakhaya mfethu la.
eh
Asathe statement sokuthi madvodza ngiwo akukho kangwana ngakubona.
kuncane mancane emakhaya lakhiwe madvodza mlingani emakhaya amanengi kuba amakhaya bafati labawakhile bawa-sustain-a lamakhaya lawo madvodza esikhathini esiningi abalekile aya kuboJozi abalekile aya ema-town or athwala abanye bafati and because amadvodza kangwane anekuthatha abantwana abancane maybe ufile washiya lo mfati nalabantwana kuba ngulo mfati lokhulisa labanango
Yeah,
labantwana so I think mina lelive nje nalamalokishini ngikubonile lokho eMzansi amalokishini
eh.
ngilabo old lady labakhala emango.
Ngoba oLed King bakhatha inhlangano bavusa imali benta inini namajida asetshwaleni ethaveni athi akiyo kugile lo baba uqhamuka ichamela King. Bakutshela ukuthi hey bewungiprofessor
Kuba
phela lo.
bese kusala lama-war hero stories yabona kuthi hey
Mm,
lokhu hey lokhu hey lokhu bekusilwane lokhu bekusipana kuphi
mm.
kuphi bekusebenza kwafunza kuphi kuphi but kude le substance lesalako is the women King labakhe lama-communities and kufuna
Lama-communities
sik-respect-e lokho.
babafundisile bafundisa abantwana esikolweni King kuse wobuka eNazarene King ukuthi bekungimalini kufunza eNazarene ngendlela bekudule ngayo masifunza le. Ubuka ukuthi kuse besinganamali phela thina lapha ukuthi sinemali ngako sifunza eNazarene.
Besinganamali,
Ngilomuntu King
besinganamali.
ngilomuntu King lo lekhaya King lokuphushile wakuyisele uthi ubuthi usuyithathaphi le mali uhlanganisile umuntu omdala ukuthi ungene la.
The women King that's why mina ngiyabanika lama-props lawo King. I think if it wasn't for women ngabe kude live.
Ngakude King, ngakude.
Ngakude but hey ya ngakude King ngito leti bafana uthi nawungenele emakhaya King le ukukhanza kukera imvorwana kukera insango ngito leti lama-operations ato.
Yeah King ngima operation ato talima tenta ini babhizi labantu laba King asho banesibinzi banjalo.
Hhayi mina ngiyabafeva vele King manabo bafati ba-Southern Africa ngiyabafeva ba-strong, they are
Mm.
strong sengikuthi kufuna ukwati lokuba ngathini lokuphila nabo as a man because lesitishoko King ukuthi leti Tabo King bakhona nabo Screw tiyachama le Tabo Screw King leti abantwana temalini
Yeah.
tiyachama King anything akuchamela umfati wakho
Isanatsho lento leyo King komalini
inini.
sekwehlile kuduma sekulokudumile.
Angazi bafana sengikuthi angisaseyi connected to the streets kangako.
Angiboni kusesekhona ungoti maybe kukhona ungoti.
Sebanathana ama-gang.
Ungoti nami King phela nami ngiyakuse I'm off the streets but eyilini mfethu sesiyazi siyentanani lento.
Even hey ngithi angisasi-connected King in the streets. Ngike ngaphila nema-out King ladlilini.
Tilwane.
Tilwane King full time tidlilini ngike ngaphila nathi genge leto. Sengikuthi mina le-aphili angizange sengike ngiyibone.
I-appeal yani?
Yelini personally angizange ngike ngiyibone.
Hayi mina into leto nje akusithi engidlayele kuto useless into leto King wena usuvilapha uhlale phasi ukhulume slow. Asho beba emulate Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne bebelapha sethi inkomishi adlele lini.
Okay, phayifika ngayo vele nangiwizi lena ngenza abantu emalini.
Yafika kaWeezy so wonke umuntu King kustyle nje kwe-wave.
Kwe-wave bethi chama King lento abantu emalini ngiyakukhumbula benesitayela lento bethi chama King ungathathi light.
But bekuchama kusekoneni because adikhona iphumela ngephandle King ithi vibe.
Atitsingi ku-vibe King uyabona nangabe Cheese Boy or Cheese Girl unalamanye ama-platforms ekuzuza abantu
but
other than
lento lena
lesitayela
ngifuna
thina.
si-address King lena ukuthi mina ngisengamboni Cheese Boy King kangwani.
Kangwani?
Ngisengamboni King ngaphandle kwenu King lenifunze ku-Waterford nibabonile but lamathi lesikhuluma ngawo elini nakusibo Cheese Boy labantwana lawa King. Sengukuthi bakhuluma singisi bathanda into hip hop ekuse Cheese Boy ngilomnye umuntu King ekuse against Cheese Boy King laying out ekuse if unga-explain Cheese Boy King ungamangala lo munye umjida King Cheese Boy
Asomchaze King because confused.
ekuse Cheese Boy King nyala ngasuka King aselikhathi lakhe King hamba uthenga imoto nyalo ngelikhathi lakhe hayi lamake hayi lababe
Cheese Boy.
Cheese Boy loyo King Cheese Boy King konke lapho sina ukuthola nyalo you understand Cheese Boy King sihamba sokubhuka nyalo liviki lonke emhlanga you understand
Siqale khona.
akasathi strati Cheese Boy King they know not of the streets you understand they know not
Kangwane kude into lenjenga Cheese Boy ke
King
Kangwane.
kwanza ukuthi ekhayini kunemateksi ayi-10 yabona ekhayini kunemateksi ayi-10 sebaqhamuthi Cheese Boy bantu you understand Kangwane lapho kunemabhasi ekhayini baqhamuthi Cheese Boy yabona awusi Cheese Boy lokho kunemabhasi ayi-10 nje ekhayini you understand when you talk about King wayikhumbula le ndlu wangikhombisa yona le yakhe hamba somizi lapha
La bekunasomizi khona bathi ngihambuza
lapha King makulemntwana lapha Cheese Boy lo ya noma Cheese Girl ohlala lapha.
There are very few King because hey lapha King wabona le 5 star le ngathi kweshikwembu lo kwa somehow kweshikwembanyana type.
Asho ngile rate yale mali King le salary rate lesinayo yabona so siyaqalana bo ikhayini lemabhasi hawu ikhayini lemabhasi mara sihleleni la sonke la enang la basinkulu esandla sila sandla sonke mara ekhayini 10 amabhasi mara sila sandla ngalana unekuboleka inangizane yami imoto yami.
Shothi kude bancane bo Cheese Boy Kangwane maybe babo 10 12 lapho.
Okay mabakhona King maybe masibeke ngama-classifications ukuthi ngi-Cheese Boy ngaloku ngi-Cheese Boy ngakule level le you understand but masikhuluma nga-cheese mbamba King those niggas know not of the streets they know not of sandla
nema-struggles ama-day to day struggles King abawadi.
abayadi into leyo King bona baphila le top life yabona.
Yeah. Inkinga King sikhule nama-actor kakhulu man that's the thing a lot of cats were acting. I had a friend of mine wakasibanze wangibekela info in perspective nasikhuluma nje khanze ukuthi basibani hey yabona lo banemali khayi kuwo ithi le Brian hayi beda imali hayi ukuthi banemali ngikuthi thine siyida imali.
Yes
So I think maybe that's the issue ukuthi thina sikhule siyida imali hayi ukuthi abantu bebanemali.
Mina ngaphuma nawe King lapha eSabab lapha esihlala khona lapha ngigcoke elivani lami lelidzabile la koneni ngala lomnye umnyaka siye down uthi mina hey King hayi lelivani leli right wathi wena ngemlomo wakho King King relax mfana bonke labantu abalapha siyafanana nabo sengisibona bagcoke amasudu ba-ayinile you understand bathakhinishile bafake amasudu vele wabona bapolishile ucabanga banemali kunawe ngenteka thina singcono ntwana ngalamavani sethu ladzabukile you understand because sekuseyakena ama-assumptions ngilenyini King because mawanje le-out king inuka i-perfume unekutshela ukuthi le-out i-grand le-out lena yabona so takhela i-picture ngale-out but le-out le king mangagucuka imbungane uyilandzele king ungene la ihlala khona ufike u-understand ukuthi kahle kahle siyafanana le-out.
Kuna-anyanisi munye efrijini maybe yabona natamatisi.
Which is a typical average life Swazi leyo king.
Ya kona vele. Hey kona phela king nasesodibana nabo abantu lapha kubo corporate place. Sebagqokile. Uyathi ukuthi uva ngathi wena konke bakwenza empilweni yakho ku-wrong.
Uba mncane king because uyadiva sekuseni kahle kahle mhlawumbe angideserve ukuba la ekuseni manje king and king uyayitshela i-pressure sembabane king. Those kids king ngalakhulunywa umphaya ngalana yo ne ya and ya uyabona sekuselana ya corporate place lapha eTulu.
And kufuna kuyodliwa amadambi king abo 40 50 selikumalini dambi nyalo.
Ngaqala ngi40 banibani lapha kodwa yena kwe-tavern nokuya. La ngenhle kwespare. Sigibela khona rooftop king agijima ngathi bo 40 39 40.
Igijima 40.
Why kuseyisothi indure so?
Because emaswati king ayethanda tshwala ne-status.
Status ya ne-status kuthi hayi kusethini bema-iPhone sidlala la Tulu la kuhlala bema-iPhone lapha. Labathwena
awuthe iPhone and i-identity i-identity yakhe ukuthi ngumjita we-iPhone yena.
That's why that's why ama-out amaningi kuseyankoshoka ukuthi Roma nama-out. Ukanze out king e-bathroom iyashootha king lapha ishutha nge-iPhone lapha esibukweni. Mara ngumjita loyo king yakena usena ngumjita. Like I don't trust most of his kids. Like angifuni nje kuba
he told that to cry on yemuntu le.
King amajita king ushutha esibukweni king yakena ushutha nge-iPhone. Uyoposta online dog.
I-out.
Hayi akusiyibra yami leyo. Most of these kids are questionable.
Vele ukuthi thina sithi ama-bra lenta lento lethu sithi unayo nomngane onento lethu newukhona futhi wena kuba umngane amjita onento leyo lo shutha
naye ngiyakhona kuba ngumngane wami.
Neka khona kuba neke king neke niphase neniphicethe belishumi. Ngathi kabani nemjita lento leyo.
Funa sibe careful these days king. Funa sibe careful king because bantu king mama chameleon king they move in different ways and forms. Especially masisilethe indzawo leti ya king like I don't trust these niggas bro. Most of these kids are weird.
But kufuna wena understand wena mlingani.
Nah king like mina ngiyakunderstand but if out ngiyakunderstand yona sehamba around mina let's confusion because king if kunebantu abayi-understand le out kanti mina phela angadeli lo read abantu mina ngihamba ne-out yami kanti kunebantu esebayiridile sebayatika ukuthi loga in kuphi bangibuka mina king bangifaka le bunch leyo king njenga king bangenta libhanisi njenga king.
I think njengofana kufuna si-understand ukuthi le mpilo yethu seyi-complicated. Sokude sikhala sema-new friends nyalo uyabona.
Ayi ngithi vele kena ngithi bangani king ekusaya. Ngashiya phasi
sikhala sema-new friends king. Kufuna ukuthi understand wena ya kona confusing bafana. Confusing impilo yasembabane that's why like I feel like but Jozi kuncane ku-actor Jozi ku-Sentini king yabona mbabane there's a lot of performance uyabona.
Esentini ngiya king yakhona kuperforma because lokungena la stadium before anything before you play lokungena la stadium le ticket lekungena la stadium ay cabanga ukuthi odlala usengakubhadalela ikudlala king usabhadalela kuba na stadium kuba kule arena.
Hayi kona vele
okay kuba kule arena
outfit lekufuna udlale ngayo
and mangabe ungene kule arena king usowubukela ama gladiator adlala or now you are one of the gladiators uthi uyabuka king roster uthi uyabuka king le roster ama gladiator adlalako king kungaka king wa Hercules you understand so angeke uye kuleli
funa ufaceane nawo
ngeke uye kuleli leyo king wakhona idlana Hercules you understand ngawukhona king le stadium nje ngena it's too expensive that's why ngithi mina kuse ngoba babana king ungangena uthi fihle uyabona you can hide there.
You can fake it till you make it. That's the beauty of Swaziland king uthi Swaziland you can fake it till you make it uyabona.
Ay mara ngikhumbulile manje
hayi king funa sinyathele bafana ngidakutshela ama details funa sinyathele senginema concrete details ngifuna sinyathele Mswazi King, ngifuna mina bafana ngikhani ngedala kuphi Maputo line.
Yeah, funa semoze nami ngifuna ngilungise i-passport
Yeah,
yami July ngathi iphelelwa amandla. Funa ngiyi-reboot.
July lona.
Yeah, 22 July ngazuthi iphelelwa amandla. 22 noma 27 July ngathi iphelelwa amandla.
Kufuna uyilungise King because phela wena awusangena endzaweni because you need 6 months in advance. I-passport kufuna ibe na 6 months.
La Africa.
Yeah, anywhere. Awungeni anywhere now with the 6 months. Yeah, kufuna uyilungise bafana utoba official. Xitofamba xo khanela sichangane ba xo falar Portuguese.
Sitokhangela King, King.
Khanela King.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah,
Bathi hayi King.
Imbabane iyakhumbuleka man.
Yakhumbuleka imbabane ngicamisa
Iyakhumbuleka imbabane King. Asivale mlingane sitawuqhubeka man. Kunenge lekusafuna sikudzingide nzangayethu.
King sitatikhipha letiqephu, satobela letiqephu netiqephu. Kwanyalo sathola i-direction yethu ukuthi indlela yethu ibhekephi but hayi iqephu ngetiqephu King itawuphuma.
Itawuvela, hayi ngiyabonga mlingane.
Yeah, fire.